And we are live. How's it going, guys? Everybody having a good day? I know I'm having a good day. I was wrong by technicality, but the market seems to be reverting to the mean. So I might be right by technicality. We shall see. I'm about to spread the live stream link everywhere so everybody knows I'm streaming. Give me 1 second and we will be in business. Okay, so one group. Two groups. What the group am I missing? Somebody said last video I started. Somebody said the other day I started my video off sounding like a white kid named Kyle. Okay, I gotta give it to him. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I can't lie. My drip is fire, bruh. Stop it, man. You hate now though. You know my drip is fire. Quit the cap. You'll see this once you hop on the live. I hope you do too. I'm gonna call you out. Let's see, where else did I post my? I think it was like right here. No, I can't do that. Where the fuck else did I post my live at? My video. I'm live here. I should have did this beforehand, which is my fault. I need to start scheduling these lives, so everybody, has like an anticipation of it type shit. You know what I'm saying? And they will be ready. Okay, so their bot is removing my. Okay, got around that easily, with ease. Alright, so I think I posted I'm live to all of the groups. No, I forgot the tick chart cartel, even though they do tick charts. But I still posted my shit there. I think I did. I don't remember. Full disclosure, I am tipsy. I'm not drunk, I'm tipsy. I'm working my best when I'm tipsy. So let's see. Did I post an Excel charts? Okay. Here we go. Excel charts. There we go. I am live, my friends. Okay. I think I have done my duty. Let's see. I'm in Ninja Scalps Discord, so I'll post my live there. If you are making comments, I'm so sorry. Let me check the comments right now. Okay, we have 3 viewers. Perfect. So, I shall start here. Right now, what I see is, I don't want to give away the alpha. What I see is a high probability that we will return to the value area high. If not, down to the point of control. I will corroborate this using. I have to. Okay, looking at this here, we might bounce first before we go down. Because that's just how markets work. I've done this for like, what, 6 fucking months. I don't understand the price action like the back of my hand. So, looking at this, I see a very good chance that we will come back down to the point of control. Let's see, $2.2 million worth of absorption, 1.2. This is like a short to me. I'll take this short. Well, I can't take this short because it's what? I don't like my stops higher than $10. It ruins the R for me, and that's way more than $10. But I'm expecting us to return to either at least a value or high, if not the initial balance or the point of control. If you watched my video yesterday, my theory was that my theory was that we will chop for several days. I will show you an example. My theory was, I think it's right here. No, it's not. That's the song lyric. My theory was that we will chop for either several days and then continue higher, or we will break down to this level here and then continue higher towards the $2,000 area, or we will just go straight up. Right now, the market appears to be in the case where we might actually trend down, simply because we have all of this empty space here. I like to call them anomalies. The market didn't spend as much time there as we should have. So normally what happens is, especially in a pattern like this, right? Like we have the NYSE session, which is pink. Then the overnight session, which is red. NYC red. NYC then red. We have the NYC, which makes the big move. Normally after the big move, we see some pullback. So that's what I'm expecting. I want to load up ideally around, what is that, 1483 before we go to Valhalla. That's my plan. So I don't think this is the Valhalla quite yet. At the very most, wait, can you guys post top messages or all messages? Let's do all messages. So the game plan is, so far, if we fail this support line right here, my tick size is too high. I can't get accurate reading. Let's do 4. Okay. Now it's at the middle of the bar. 0.7 million. Most of that is at the bottom. I forgot to clear my. I forgot to clear my delta at 9:30. Oh, it's not 9:30 yet. That's what too much alcohol does to my friends. So right now I'm thinking we'll probably bounce up to, I'll say here, and then we'll continue downwards. Let's see what this was driven by. This was driven by a short squeeze, essentially. Short squeezes of more than, I shouldn't be giving away alpha, especially on YouTube. Short squeezes towards the upside over a certain percentage tend to lead to continuations. So I'm not really concerned towards the, what do you call it? I'm not really concerned of the, fuck, what's the word? Of the I'm not concerned of the trend. I know for a fact we will be, not for a fact because there are no facts in trading, but I know as a probability that we will continue higher simply because of that short squeeze, because they indicate continuations. So I'm just waiting here for my chance to get in lower, and I will buy as much as possible, preferably at 1526. But if not possible, I will be happy to do 1540 with a stop at 1526. We have all this empty space to fill here at this single print. So I think I should set my my limit orders now, because it could flash. We're in C period right now. Oh, we're in B period. Okay, I see. Let's see. 1540.97. Market limit 1540.97. What? Okay, so I'm typing in 1526, but is that it goes to 1500? Oh, that's an ETH, bro. I'm stupid. Okay, I've had too much alcohol. I'm putting the bottle down. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. My ETH will be undisclosed for the moment. It's actually 1540, not 1574. Okay, gotta have that. Okay, I think I'm ready. Actually, I should be shorting this because this is really free money right here. We have a single print. We have a, what I call a TPO stall. After the bounce, that is, I would short that because the market structure is quite weak here. Let me open chat. I'm so sorry. I've been neglecting you guys. Let's check out chat. Any questions so far? I like 1540. Yeah, 1540 is a perfect level. So that's my entry. I think we'll consolidate for a few days. Good morning, my friend. Tara Johnny's. How are you? It's good to see you. So right now, just waiting for market to break value high. So how's your day going so far? Good day? Like in general. New profits made. How we doing today? Excuse me. I'm still coming over this cold. It's a little crazy. I know what you said, 9Mag. OKX is fine. What would you rather trade me on? Bybit? I've traded Bybit for months. Bybit is garbage. So don't. Binance order flow is garbage as well. So I'm not taking that. Like sideways for a few days to rest volatility then trend up. Yeah, that's why I said in my last video. My theory is, one of my theories is, we will either, what did I say? We will either, okay, let me screenshot because I can't draw for some reason on Excel charts. My theory was, as mentioned in my last video, we will either like essentially trade this way for a couple of days, then go up, or we will either come down to here to 1586 and then go up, as NYSE RP is a very important what would you call it, not support line, but that is the area where most wells entered on the stock exchange session. So that's one of two plans. I'm waiting to trade both plans, but I'll be willing to take 1540 with a nice stop loss before 1526. That's the plan. What is my trading strategy? My trading strategy is based on the auction market theory, but I have my own twist on it. It's based. It has a little volume spread analysis built onto it. And I already know what you're thinking, cause I used to, I used to make jokes about it endlessly, but you know, Dan himself said it works. So I use VSA in the sense of the delta, right? Like I have this delta sheet here. Let's see. I have this delta sheet here. I collect it every month, as you can see. If I look at the $10 million chart, and I see that it is three standard deviations of absorption, but the candle length is below average, then I know that is a ton of absorption. And I know for a fact that there is a lot of bids within this order book here. Why they are in the order book is of no concern to me. What I want to see is follow up. I want to see buyers coming in, and that is perfect for me. That's what I trade on. So it doesn't matter to me who is doing what, why they're in the market. To me, buyers are infinite, sellers are infinite. I'm just looking for confluence, I would suppose, in a way that it works in my favor, essentially. What's the alcohol level at the moment? Am I slurring that bad? Oh my god. Okay. I took maybe 3 swigs of Southern Comfort, and that is let me grab the bottle. Where's the bottle at? See, I'm so drunk. I lost the damn bottle that's right next to me. This is a. Okay, so now we're trading down. Uh, 750 milliliters. That is how much? That's a fifth. It does not. It's 70 proof, so 35% alcohol. Half of it is gone. But I drink what? Not a third, because that's 33%. Not even 24%. I drank maybe 12% of this last night. And now it's down to roughly, I'd say, maybe, maybe 3/5 of the bottle. So, shilling you quant. I'll not take any quant disrespect. Do not make me go my quant rampage right now. I will right now, Namek. You better stop it. You better stop it. That was a good joke, though. I can't lie. Okay, so now we're coming down to, let's see. We're still in B period. I can't trade yet because I don't trade the initial balances. We're in C period actually. So let's watch what happens here closely. Oh no, we're still in B period. I'm drunk. Sorry. Well, I'm not drunk, but I'm a little tipsy. Right now, I'm just waiting for 9:30. I'm just noting the tempo of the market, seeing how fast the market moves downwards, how fast it withdraws. This gives me a sense of confidence in the market because tempo equals confidence. That's how I trade. I'm noting right now how we touched the single print here, but we didn't go through it. That's something quite interesting. I'm not sure what it means yet. I need another candle, and that'll tell me what that means. That's certainly interesting. Right now, I'm watching the order book. We see 13,000 contracts absorbed here, 12,000 absorbed here, $4.7 million worth of delta. Let's go to the spreadsheet. 4.7 million is just under 2 standard deviations. So now what we do is we look for confluence in the order book, and we see if there are any, I don't know what you call it, but basically it looks like there's no wall, but every time we get to that wall, every time we pass that wall, the wall fills up with an order. So it's it's almost like a ghost. So that's what I'm looking for at the moment right now. I'm looking for some type of confluence that will explain as to why we didn't break that single print. Right now, I'm thinking we'll probably do that higher low as I mentioned, and then we'll come down. That's what makes the most sense to me. So $1.1 million to 1.3 towards the top of the candle. That's some heavy absorption. We see 17,000 right here on a 15,000 contract. Let's see what happens as it approaches this level here. 9,000 contracts disappeared. 8,000 actually. Let's see if it can hold. 17,000, 18,000, 18.10, 18.37. Okay, 20,000 contracts before it broke, and it came back down. 1.4. Okay, so this must be the start of the bounce I was talking about. if we can hold above this 20,000 contract here, then we've claimed this level. But it's just a lot of delta here. I have it in such a way where my delta is shaded. Should I show this? Because that's a lot of alpha. I have my delta in such a way in which it is shaded at a specific number. So it tells me when something is up. I'll put it like that. So that's why you see inconsistent shadings in delta, because this is delta cluster after all. So right now we see the market just went up. He must have ran out of ammunition, 1.6 to 37,000. So now we're looking at the bounce here. I'll be willing to short this bounce. If I had to guess, the bounce will probably stop right here at this order block. That's a little too low. I'll say right here. I'll be willing to short this bounce here at the order at either of these order blocks. What I'm looking for is 2 to 3 standard deviations in absorption volume. I'll be looking for let's see. I'll know it when I see it. That's what I'll say. I'll short down to this purple line here, and my stop will be extremely tight. It'll be right here at the high, because if it wicks to the high, then you know I've lost the trade already. So any questions, concerns so far? Does anybody have any questions? I see we have 5 people here. Welcome. How are you doing today? Having a good day? Good morning. Are you still here, Mac? Can I roast you? Or are you gonna be in your feelings? That's my friend. Yes, Mac, and with my line drawing. Do you have a problem with that? I see you in the Discord talking about me. Boy, I know what I'm doing. That is an order block right there. Those are 2 order blocks. What is wrong with OKX? Talk to me. OKX has more volume than Bybit, and I traded Bybit for 2 months, and my equity curve was way worse on Bybit than it was on OKX. So OKX is the GOAT. Stop playing with me. Namek, I will explain that 1030 thing to you privately, because that is a huge that's some sauce right there. So I'll explain that to you privately. Am I doing just a more complicated TA? Or you're not even in the stream, so I want to acknowledge you. And tell him I said that, Namek. Tell him I said that, Namek. My fault. I'm in a Discord right now. I know all these guys are watching. So right now it is almost 9:29. It is nearly the open of the stock market. So we are watching the market. Okay, so what we do is we always clear out the buy and sells data to get clean information, because we always, and I mean always, trade differently after 9:30. Eastern. Okay, so we continue higher. This looks decent. And we got pushed down by a limit order, really. Alright, let's see how this candle closes. At first, I was bullish on the candle simply because of the fact that we had $1.3 million here at the top. And then we had $122,000. But we got pushed down. Now we're back up. So this essentially means absorption. But now since we're higher, it's we have more the demand on the market order side is higher than on the ask side, so we're pretty good for now. Like I said, right now, I'll be looking for a short between these two areas. Fuck. Let's see. I'll be looking for a short between these two areas. And the single print. The single print is, let's see, 15. I don't like to do the whole single print. 1565. 1565. Okay. So that coincidentally is the initial balance times 2. I like that. So right now, what I'm looking for this short is I'm looking for signs of trouble. And I see none besides this one right here. But we're still far below our target, so I'm just waiting. I think we will go higher. The market just has to give a little pullback. It's no big deal. I don't think we will go down. That would be quite strange. I'm not a TA guy, but I'll do some TA just to. Okay. Oh shit. Fuck. I just deleted my my line. And now I can't put it back. I'm gonna just refresh the page. Log out, no. Wait. I have to redo all of these lines all over again. 5076.14. Oh my fucking god. I thought they saved them. 1556.44. 1561.55. Fuck. I thought, why doesn't it automatically save them? I am so upset right now. 1551.15. Fuck. That just fucked up my whole day. Okay, we gotta do this fast, folks. 1576.14. It messed up my trend lines. So I have to do this very fast or I'm going to miss the trade. So does anybody have any questions, concerns right now? trying to be chat active, but you guys are deader than. Okay, let me not say that. Some of y'all might be Prince fans. You all are deader than a rock. So, any questions, concerns? $1576.14. Fuck, it's taking so long. This is the most important one right here. It's 5076.14. So that's CBO3. I don't even know where the fuck this came from. Delete that. Only this, the rest of these are a couple cents off. 1566.29. Okay, so that one is correct. There's only that one that was messed up. 1561.55. Oh yeah, these are all fucked up. 1561.36. It's only by a couple cents. It doesn't matter. 1556.44. Okay, 51.515. Hold on, wait. Okay, so that's close enough. 46.86. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I know this is boring. Just see me go back and forth. Don't leave, please. I'm almost finished. I just need to make sure my lines are accurate here. 46.68.86. They jumped by 26%, 20 cents for some reason. So 41.54. So that's 36.74. That right there needs to be 6. Needs to be. Wait. What? $41.48. $41.54, close enough. And 36.74. 26.89. Wait. Oh no, that's correct. Okay. So, as you know, I stream from 9 to 12. But I still take trades after. If I have the time, I will take a trade and I'll record it, and then I'll do like a debriefing as to why I took the trade and whatnot. But right now, I'm just waiting for this bounce so I can take the short. Where did I say I'll take the short at? I said what? Right here. It's basically right here too, but that's too high and that's too low. Right here and right here. With these order blocks, I should make these a different color. What color would you guys prefer? Any colors at all? My personal favorite is green. Green is nice, you know. Okay. This is starting to look more like a short here, but just from muscle memory, um, I know if I were to take this short here, it'll basically do this. I've seen this so many times. Let me draw. It'll do something like this. It'll make a higher low, then come up, and then come up, and then come up, and then go down. I've seen this so many times. So I won't take the short. I'll wait. I'll be patient. So what are you guys' favorite movies? Like, I know there's only four of us. I'm trying to make some conversation here. Maybe you're in the background. You're just listening, which is fine. There's three of us now. Oh, there's still four. Perfect. I'm trying to do some, what do they call it in comedy? Crowd control. But without embarrassing anybody. I know you hear that bottle. We tap it for good luck here in the Midwest. See, there we go. That's how it always works. Look at that delta too. Well, we'll see. The candle hasn't closed yet, so. But yep, if I took that short, I would have been fucked. No matter how good this candle right here to the left looked, it looked very good too. It was about a standard deviation in delta. All of this point of control here, it was solid, but this right here is what gave it away. There was no limit orders here. So we have that paired with all of these stacked imbalances, which gives me the clue that we will get a higher low. I mean, a lower high, excuse me. And this lower high will be around these areas I pointed out to. Just note the volume too. Just note the volume on the sell side and the buy side. 1.2 million sells, 1.4 million, 111 to 381, $63,000 to $30,000. They're running out of ammo here. 216 to 227. Maybe they can run it up. I mean, maybe they can run it down, but, you know, this candle hasn't closed yet, so we'll see. I doubt they will. Just watching these stacked imbalances. Watching the order book right now to see if we'll see any bids, any timing sales, and also any walls here that'll hold that aren't spoofs. You have a decent one here at 1577. It absorbed 3,500 contracts. So we have $517,000 right here on the market side, but it may not be enough. I'll make a bet with you. If we drop from here, I would be extremely surprised because the market structure itself just does not look like it'll drop. Like, have you ever seen a chart go from this to this? Wait, to this? Like, that makes no sense. So intuitively, I know it's going to bounce. I'm just waiting for that moment. We may make a higher low here because this is an order block after all. So we may make a higher low at what? 1571.09. But I really don't think we'll just go straight down. That makes no sense to me. Over the thousands of hours I've looked at the market. We will see though. We're all wrong sometimes. It's all a game of probability, right? Let's see if we find some more support here at the support line I drew out. I forgot I have more timelines. Time frames. Let's check out the 5-minute. 5-minute looks slightly healthier. Did I ever change the $1.8 million in Delta? 5-minute is what? $8 million? What the fuck? That is not happening. Okay, let's try it out. No standard deviation, so it's actually 3 million. That's more feasible. Where's the long then? Oh no, I don't trade like that. I don't like to go long, short, long, short, long, short. I like to wait for the markets to come to me. But if I do see a long, I'll play it, sure. You'll see me play it. I practice what I preach. I'm not a larper. Yeah, I knew that was a bad idea. I needed to make it have a standard deviation. So 3.692, so that's what? 1.3451 something. Template. Let's just use a calculator. Where is my phone? Oh, it's on my lap. Fuck, I'm missing long. Hold on, wait. Oh no, there's still way too much delta here. 3 point. What was it? Standard deviation of. Okay, 3.69692. 3.692 206.93 divided by 2. So that percent deviation is 1.846. Well, how often do we get that? We have 8 million here, 2 million here, 2 million here, 3.3 million here. I think that's appropriate. The standard deviation is alright. I'll let that stay. Now there's no point in logging because it's what? It's only fucking. It's like what? Like $5 away from my potential short. Not to mention all of that delta. I'll take the short, but I won't take the long. Look at this delta. This delta is insane. I would never ever take a long on this delta. $7.9 million on a below average high and low. That's suicide. in my experience at least. Like all of that is just pure absorption. Note the next candle we have less delta, so it's not as bad. But if you see a candle like that at the top, that means it's about to pull back, and I don't like that, so I don't trade longs in that way. $7.9 million is over 3 standard deviations, mind you. Oh, 7.9. It's almost 3 standard deviations. It's $8 million. That is the third standard deviation, and the average is 3.46. So I would have never longed that a day in my life. What that does tell me though is there's weakness ahead. So I feel that somebody DM me on Discord. Must have said something stupid. Okay, anyway. As I said, I would never take a trade like that. That's suicide. Granted, this may work out, but most trades like that with a standard deviation of over 3 or even over 2, if you're going with the trend in this like that, no. Big no. Let's see, look, there we go. All of that absorption. You see right here at 1580, 36,000 contracts absorbed, 22,000 contracts absorbed. If I took that long, I would have messed up. That's why I never do longs like that. Over 3 standard deviations or 2 standard deviations, not for me. Never. Instant drawdown, if not stopped out. I will do the opposite where there's 3 standard deviations in absorption. I do that all the time. But otherwise, no. Not for me. Let's see, look at that. Market just dumps right there. You even get a chance to take my trade. That's unfortunate. Okay, what have we hit? Horizontal line. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, so we hit IBLX 1.5. It's the 1 hour. Let's see what the 15 says. Why did it switch to the upward shift? Man, what really makes me mad is I was anticipating a short up here, but it's going to take out all of these single prints down here without me. That was the plan. But there they go. They're all gone now. In hindsight, what I should have noticed was, I can't say that, that's too much alpha. But I noticed something just now that should have given me the go ahead to short, but I just wasn't paying attention. So now we're in C period. The next potential play for C period is note this initial balance here. If we've broken out initial balance in the sense I've gone back in. If D period opens with an initial balance, I will take a long. If market conditions allow me to, I'll do a range trade up to 1587, if not higher. Let's see. What do we have above 1587? We have, I suppose we have the high 1595, but I imagine it'll be a lower high. But that's just bias, so we take that out of our head. We'll do a candle close. What is that? Is that an order block? No, it's not, but it's close to it. We'll do 1583. Depends on how far within the order the block we close. Are you still there now, Mac? I would like to enjoy me some of this whiskey, but I'm on the job, so I will hold my liquor. Liquor always makes me tired. I don't know about y'all, but I get dead tired after I drink. Excuse me. Excuse my cough. Forgive me. I've been going over a cold. So for now, I think I will possibly end the stream, but I will keep streaming just so I can catch some possible plays. Unless the two of you who are watching will still want to watch me stream. If so, say no or forever hold your peace. You have 2 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna do it like that. I didn't even check for the 2-minute mark. Okay, 14:59. Okay, so we see C period has closed within the initial balance. This gives me a long opportunity up to where I said. So here's the plan. Up to here will give me how many are. Let's see. 1.76. That's worth my time. Oh, and of course it goes without me. right as I am planning the trade. Unfortunate. That has happened to me many of times. Exo charge is frozen. I must reload it. We're seeing some heavy resistance here. My initial thesis is still intact though. Like I said, we will range for a couple days. If not, dip down to whatever I said and then continue higher. So don't worry about that. We will get to Valhalla. It is written within the scriptures. Take another swig. May the Norse gods be with us as they take us to Valhalla. Okay, 1.1 million. We'll probably come down to here. Let's mark this. I'll check a trade if it's here and I see good volume. What is that? 1569.89. That's what, more than about $4 down. That gives me a good R. 1569.89. Yeah, that's 6R. Jesus Christ. My stop is way too tight. Holy Christ, I have a call. I will be right back. Jesus Christ, this is at the worst time. Excuse me, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Worst time to get a phone call ever. I was just about to take this long and it went without me. Forgive me for that. Big mistake on my part. We lost 2 members in the live stream. Life, man. It happens, right? Fuck. So right now I'm answering somebody's question. When they say I use TA in the Discord, so what I'm saying is I definitely don't use TA, and the reason why is because I use the structure of the TPO and the volume profile as my so I do top to bottom, right? Like I use this to get a bigger view as to where the market will go, and then I use order flow, which is where the TA comes in as my pinpoint accuracy. So that's how I do it. I'm typing the message out right now, hence my silence, excuse me. Let me delete this so I never took this trade. What time is it? It's only 10:10. Damn, alcohol slows down your what is it called? Your however fast you perceive time. Very slowly. Very slowly. Okay, so we see that deep is open up within the initial balance. So that gives me an opportunity to long here. I like this action. This is decent price action. I think I'll take this. I will take this up to 1.1 million on the sell side. I might not take this up actually, but I will put this here just to be safe. For a TI guy, I would say this is a bargain wedge, but I don't believe in TA. So we're now watching order book for any signs of absorption on the sell side. I'm looking at this area if it 1573.5 for any potential signs of strength. Okay, nothing's coming down. I think I may move my 1.3 million. 1279 at 1571. Let's see if it holds. 1279 still. I'm looking over here. 7,000, 5,000, and 12,000. We have 14,000 here. This is a tough day to trade. I've had easier days to trade on stream. Okay, this is what I like to see. Heavy volume at the volume, negative delta on the up candle. Where there was previous resistance here on the sell side, there is none. That is my entry signal. I want to see the R though. If the R is less than 1.5, I will not take it. 1.05. I can't take it. I'm sorry. I can't take it. It's not enough. A win rate is not high enough to accept a 1.05. I need 1.5 or above. I think I'll probably start the stream right here, guys. I have to go, unfortunately. It's been great, but I will see you later. If I see any trades, I will live stream them and I will record them and I will show evidence because I am not a LARPer. So have a good one. You all have a very nice time. Have a very easy night, easy day, wherever you are. And I will see you later. Peace.